Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use the detail option in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Lightroom option. So we have to click on this, we have to open this. So as you can see, the Adobe Lightroom is open. Now what we have to do, we have to choose the image, that which image we want to use. So for example, I'm going to choose the image first. So let's choose that. So as you can see, I have selected this image, and after selecting this image, as you can see, has the detail option. So we have to click on the detail option, and after clicking on the detail option, as you can see, has the amount. So if you want to increase this amount, you need to increase it. You can also do that. As you can see, the radius option is provided here. The detail option is also provided here. You can increase in this way, and the masking is also provided here. As you can see the clearly the difference between original and the edited one. And now we need to go to the noise section, and after going to the noise section, as you can see, you can reduce the noise. So as you can see, now it has the noise reduction option. So we can reduce the noise as well, and the detail option and the contrast option, and in the color noise you can also adjust the color as well. So in this way you can use the detail option, and in the detail option you can use the color noise and the noise and sharpening option. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the detail option in Adobe Lightroom. It's easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.